Hello students, my UPSC class welcomes you, and today we are going to discuss this important topic. And today we just provided a blog on the what is this AFSPA, the Armed Force Special Power Act. So what is the important meaning and what is the importance of this topic related to your exam? Because of in internal securities, this topic is going to be very important. And now what happened? They like demand for repealing this law, and this is like a very important topic for your exam. So in this news, sir, first of all, just tell me, sir, why this topic is in news? Because of recently 14 civilians in Botch military operation of Nagaland or in Nagaland has led to fresh call of repealing the Armed Force Special Power Act AFSPA. So this is like a very important term. AFSPA. So first of all, you need to just remember, sir, what is this AFSPA? So AFSPA is nothing, sir. Basically, one type of parliamentary act that grants special powers to Indian Armed Forces. The state and parliamentary forces are classified as distributed area. So in distributed area, first of all, the parliament or according to this law, they will just classify this distributed area. So in that area, armed forces or state forces can take any action, or basically for to maintain law and order, they can just take any action. So according to that, sir, this is the basic idea of this AFSPA. So sir, it gives the power to the army, state or central police forces to shoot, to kill, search houses, destroy any property, likely anything just they can just do. If they like any like some activities related to terrorism or some religious or anything, just activity is going to be happen, so they can just do it. So this is like special power provided for armed forces. So this article is only related to that because of recently 14 civilians just killed by this military operations in Nagaland. So this is like a very important. Now just tell me, sir, this area like this AFSPA just only applicable for our distributed area. So first of all, just tell me, sir, what is this distributed area? So distributed area is nothing, sir. A distributed area is declared by notification under section 3 of this AFSPA. An area can be distributed due to difference of disputes between members of different religious, racial activities, language or religion group, and caste and communities. So according to that, sir, they can just separate, or they can just define this is like a distributed area. So in India, which part just come under our this AFSPA, or which part is just known as distributed area? So two words are very important. AFSPA is important and distributed area is important. So sir, just tell me which is like our this part of our country come under the field of this AFSPA or just known as distributed area. So sir, the AFSPA has been in the force of decades, and most of the part northern east state, very important. In northeast states, like generally everything just come under the AFSPA. So under this law, an area can be declared distributed area, bringing into play of a proportion or protection its offers to armed forces for use of forces in the notified area. So this notification like just come and every 6 months this notification just like a publish. So if you just ask me, sir, Assam and Nagaland totally just come under the area of distributed area. Also, like other states also just come under the part of this. But this Assam and Nagaland 100% area just come under the area of distributed area. So this is the basic rules and regulations just already just created by our government, and this is just parliamentary law. So all blog everything, some important points just I provided on our blog. Just read from starting to last. And now, sir, why this demand for abolition of this law or this repealment of this law? So what happened? Different kinds of human rights organizations, our detractors, just they're asking why. Just like recently this incident happened, and not only today. Like every year something just happened related to this law, and every time just they want abolition of this law. So very important one person, Irom Chanu Sarmila, very important, an activist from Manipur, became an ionic figure symbolizing the struggle against AFSPA after she set on indefinite fast in 2000 and demanding its repealment. She ended it only in 2016, and sir, finally government of India just appointed one committee, 5-member committee headed by retired Supreme Court Judge BP Jeevan Reddy, recommended that AFSPA should be repealed. Very important, this should be repealed. Now sir, this is like again just they're asking why still this law is just not repealed so far, because of in 2005 this committee is also suggested this law should be repealed. So everything fine, and in future definitely you will just see this law is also going to be like repealed or whatever just going to be happen, we are going to see. But the most important for your exam, you need to just remember what do you mean by this AFSPA, as well as sir what is the distributed area, and in in India, which are like a part of just come under the area of this AFSPA. So everything just I provided in a video description, one link is there. Every day just to be published this types of video, one blog is there, and on blog everything just like all article from starting to last, everything just I given. So just read now, because once your understanding is okay, then you can just read from starting to last, and definitely you will just enjoy this topic. So this completes, and this is going to be very important topic for your exam, pre as well as mains examination. For pre purpose, they can just ask a AFSBA distributed area, which like under which law this comes, and everything is going to be important. And for mains, sir, this under like internal securities, the best to best topic, you can just remember 100% sure question is going to be there. So this completes today's video. If you like, just like this video, subscribe our channel, and everything just under video description you will get. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.